This is the world's shortest personal brand guide you will ever need. So no fluff, no bullshit. Let's just get straight into it. My name is OZIKOY. I have over 7 million followers on TikTok. And in case you don't believe me, I say this not to toot my own horn or to boast about my achievements, but that right here, 7.7 million on TikTok and 350,000 on Instagram. And again, I don't say this to toot my own horn. I just say this so you understand that you're actually listening to a credible person that actually knows what he's talking about. Okay, so let's just get into it. Step one, pick your own lane. Okay, so your brand isn't everything. The richest creators own a niche, and a niche is basically the type of content you create, the area of content you create towards. So what do you want to be known for? Is it fitness, business, storytelling? Pick a lane and own it, and don't switch up. Step two, post relentlessly. Okay, post like your life depends on it, because quite frankly, it does when you're trying to get into the personal branding world, right? The fastest way to grow, short form content, and that's literally what I specialize in. I blew up on TikTok and I built my brand towards around that. Okay, so TikToks, Reels, Shorts, post daily. Okay, no one cares about your brand if nobody sees it, right? So frequency equals visibility. Step three, every post needs three things: a strong hook, which grabs attention immediately. You only have 3 seconds on short form before they scroll away and watch the next video. Two, actual value, so actually like just teach or entertain or just inspire in your content. And three, a CTA, which is a call to action, which basically you just tell people what to do next after they watch your video. And step four, monetize smart. Okay, followers don't pay the bills, products do, right? So start with one of these: either a digital product like a course, ebook, template, coaching or consulting, or brand deals, once your audience is big enough. And that's literally it. Most people overcomplicate this. Personal branding is simple. Be known for something, post like crazy, and sell what people actually want. And if you need help with that, link in the bio, check it out. I'm out. Bye.